Hey you guys, what's up? It's me, it's Tutorial Tuesday. So today we came up with this look. This is giving me like fall vibes, cranberry vibes, vampy vibes, all kind of vibes. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching this tutorial. Mwah. Alright you guys, so let's get started into this makeup tutorial. So first things first, I need some coffee because I have been up since 7 o'clock in the morning. I worked all day and now I'm working again. No days off. So for primer, we're going to use the Milk Makeup Blur Stick Primer. I really have been loving this primer these days. It's really great for blurring out any imperfections. Right now I have some pores that are just showing through, but other than that, I have glitter. Oh man, there's glitter here. My eyelashes are gone. I'm so freaking sad. I'm gonna get them done on Thursday. But yeah, so we're gonna go in with this primer really quickly, and you're gonna see how it'll mattify and get rid of all of the pores and all the imperfections. So you can see a little difference in my skin here. It's a little bit more mattified, looks a little bit more poreless. And then on this side, I still have some like texture. Oh my God, do you guys want an update on my nail? It's growing! We're growing a baby here. I want my nail back already, you guys. We're ready, we're primed, we have our primer on. I'm going to be taking the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is a new shade. Last time I used a different shade. It had some really yellow undertones. This one I grabbed another shade. I'm using Soft Beige, and this one has a more neutral undertone, which is what I needed. So I'm really excited to give this foundation another try with a different shade. Not that I didn't like the foundation the first time I tried it. I really loved the way my makeup lasted, and I really loved the way the foundation felt, which is why I want to give it another try again, just in a different shade, because the other shade just did not work for me. So we're gonna use this shade right now, and I'm doing Soft Beige. So I'm just gonna do about one pump here, one pump here, one pump here, one pump here, so 4 pumps in total. And then with my Dual Fiber Sigma F50 brush, I'm going to be blending this out. Who's attending Gem Beauty this Saturday too? Like, comment below, I wanna see who's attending. I want to see you guys, meet you guys, chit chat with you guys, maybe grab a drink with you guys. So now I'm gonna just take my beauty blender and just kind of blend everything more seamless. And I'm really liking the way this shade looks on me. I know it's gonna get a little bit darker as we move on with the tutorial, so so far, so good. Next product I'm gonna take is from Benefit Cosmetics, one of my personal holy grails. This is the Hoola Contour Stick. You guys know how much I really love the Hoola bronzer. This is the contour stick, and I love to contour my face with it. It's a very nice, neutral, warm tone. This is a perfect contour stick, blends so seamlessly, and you guys will not regret just adding this into your cart or purchasing this or bringing this home or adding it into your kit. It's amazing, and it's definitely one of my favorite go-to products. So I'm just gonna focus this right here on this area, so right under the cheekbones, a little bit on the forehead, and right here on my jawline to go ahead and really define my jaw. As you can see, it's very, very warm, not too dark. I feel like the last contour routine that I did, it was a little bit dark, you guys, and that's the one that I used with that's the one that I used from ColourPop. It was pretty dark, I'm not even gonna lie. I was like, oh, my forehead looks crazy. I'm gonna be taking my Royal Langnickel brush and kind of just blending this upwards. You guys already know the routine. Obviously for concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This has just kind of been it for me. I really want to try the new concealers that they came out with, and also the Too Faced concealers, but I haven't gotten to try the Too Faced Born This Way, so hoping to try that out really soon. But as of right now, this is just my go-to, man. This is my go-to. So we're gonna just dot some right under the under eye here, right under here, a little bit on the forehead, some on the chin, and on the Cupid's bow. I'm so extra sometimes, you guys, whatever. With my damp beauty blender, we're gonna go ahead and just blend out all of the concealer. To go ahead and set my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty. This is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and I use the shade Pound Cake. I like to combine Pound Cake and Banana Bread, but I'm just going to use Pound Cake at this time. So we're just going to go ahead and set the under eyes before they start creasing. Alright, so we're pretty much baking. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera because you guys pretty much know my eyebrow routine. So obviously I'm going to be using all of my brow products from Benefit Cosmetics. One of my favorite products for my eyebrows, which is a full brow powder. Make sure you try this out. Alright, so brows are on. I've already primed my eyelids. So like I said in the intro, we're going to be doing a fall look because I'm very inspired by, you know, we're in October, so we have to start doing dark, vampy looks. So the palette that I'm going to be using is from Urban Decay Cosmetics. This is their Back Talk palette. What I really love about this palette is that inside of the palette, it actually has a mirror that you can actually take out. One side. And then inside you have 3 blushes, a highlighter, and then you have all of these eyeshadows here, which screams to me fall. So we're gonna be using this palette to create our look today. First shade I'm going to take is WTF. That's this brown shade right here. We're gonna go ahead and put that color in our crease. The next shade I'm going to take is this shade. It's like a very pink undertone. This is called Back Talk, and we're gonna go ahead and work that shade into our crease as well. Next shade I'm gonna take is Attitude. It's kind of like this metallic ruby color. It's like a dark burgundy color. And we're gonna work that right on the outer of our crease. Now I'm just taking the blending brush that I use. This is the Morphe M441. And I'm just going ahead and buffing out the edges here so that it is a lot more seamless and it doesn't look too harsh. Next, I'm going to take 180. It's the darkest shade in the palette, and we're just gonna pack that right on the tail of our crease as well. I'm taking a clean blending brush and just blending everything out. Next, I'm gonna take the Pixie. This is the Liquid Fairy Light. This is in the shade Crystalline, and I'm gonna be putting this right on the center of my eyelids. And then I'm also going to take the same thing in Passion Light. We're gonna put that in our inner corners as well. And what I'm doing is I'm just combining those two glitters together. I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow and I'm just going to create kind of like what you would call a wing eyeliner with liquid eyeliner, but I'm gonna create a wing eyeliner, like a small wing eyeliner with some black eyeshadow. And we're just gonna smoke that out. So you see how it just makes the eye look a lot more smoky? Alright, I'm gonna add some black liner over here in my waterline. So for lashes, I'm gonna be using Allura. These are from House of Lashes, and I have not used the style Allura yet, but it is time. These lashes are really, really, really pretty. They're giving me like fairy vibes. I really like it. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and just wipe and dust off all of the powders that we have under here. Something weird here is happening to my nose. Like, it actually caked up and dry over here. I don't know how I feel about that. But you know what? We're just gonna continue the tutorial. It's weird that it caked up in that area over there. All right, I'm gonna be taking my Hoola bronzer. Let's go ahead and add some blush as well. Taking a burgundy shade and just kind of smoking out the bottom lash lines here. I'm just adding some inner highlights right here. Using my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. This is my go-to setting spray. This is what we're going to be using to set our face today. For lip liner, I'm going to use MAC Stripdown to go ahead and line my lips. And then I'm going to use the Real Her. For highlight, you guys, I'm going to use the Skin Duo here. This is from Galactic. You guys know I have been loving this so much. We're gonna go ahead and put that on the high point of our cheekbone. Go ahead and take your beauty blender and just make sure that that highlight is kind of just blends seamlessly. And that is it, you guys. Alright, you guys, so this pretty much wraps up the look. I really liked the way it came out. I mean, I feel like I always say that towards the end of my tutorials. Like, I love the way this tutorial came out, but I really do like the way that this eye look came out and this look came out. So if you love the way this look came out, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys every single Tuesday here on this channel with a brand new tutorial. Mwah.